Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the world's dirtiest workshop. I'm here to teach you all kinds of stuff about all kinds of stuff. Most of it very basic and very simple. One of the key things that I learned from living here in Malaysia is that my chronic pain problems are mostly coming from cooking oil, French fries, chicken, deep fried foods, just about anything fried or cooked at Burger King or McDonald's. I gotta tell you, there's some simple things in this world that can really mess you up. And cooking oils, as cheap as they are for making foods, are a really bad thing. So, there are a lot of Western foods out there that are really bad for you, such as peanut butter. But I can't give that up. So, if you're going to eat healthy, improvise. Thank you for watching me, Christopher Thunder, from the world's dirtiest workshop. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.